You suffered for how many years with the red nose and the rash that was on the skin?
Almost 5 years.
You had seen dermatologists. How many of them were there that you saw?
6 different dermatologists. They couldn't give me an answer. They couldn't figure out what it was. Then I would go for another opinion. Just simply wasn't getting any answers as what possibly the skin condition was. They did a scraping to see if it was possible a fungus, and that came back negative. I also believe I did blood work and it did not show anything. Just would put me on antibiotics and also antibiotic cream, topical and pill form. Did not make a difference. They said they can cut a piece of the skin, but they did not want to do that to send it out for further testing because since it was on my face, they didn't want me to have a scar.
What does your family say? What does your mother say? What does everybody say?
They're amazed. They can't believe what a difference and how my skin looks so amazing now. And they're completely amazed at the transformation. And I came to see Dr. Herman, and thank you, Dr. Herman. You cleared up my skin, and now I feel more confident and have a little more self-esteem.